A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. The Office of Utilities Regulation OUR has given Digicel until Friday to respond to its queries over why it decided to start charging a prepaid maintenance fee to customers. The OUR requested the information from Digicel today after complaints from customers on the telecoms firm. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Just a week ago, Digicel started charging its prepaid customers whose monthly spend is under $50 a maintenance fee. The company says that fee is to ensure all customers adequately contribute to the cost of operating and maintaining its systems and networks. But its regulator, the Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, has raised the concerns. The OUR says it is disappointed that Digicel had not notified it of this new fee prior to implementing it, and so it wants answers, and it wants that answer in 2 days' time. First, it wants the telecoms firm to provide evidence that it had provided customers with sufficient advance notice, the exact amount to be charged, and the basis of such a charge. The OUR notes that while Digicel has updated its terms and conditions on its website with the prepaid maintenance fee, there is no indication of when its customers were notified. Digicel, for its part, in a release late on Wednesday evening, apologized to its customers for the way in which the new maintenance fee was implemented. It also said it is reviewing the fee and will respond to the OUR in the time specified. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
The Bank of Jamaica BOJ today conducted its first foreign exchange auction under its new intervention system. The auction, dubbed BFEXIT, saw the central bank offering $10 million to the market. At the end of the day, it ended with the exchange rate for the US dollar at $128.76. That rate was determined at midday and was 8 cents lower than yesterday's closing price for the US dollar. The BOJ is implementing the system in an effort to make the means by which the exchange rate is determined more efficient while ensuring people who need foreign exchange can have it when they want. Today's auction was, however, a pilot, and the system is scheduled to start operating on July 26 and thereafter on every Wednesday. In the meantime, the US dollar rebounded by the end of trading from its midday price, but still ended down for a 12th straight trading day. At the end of trading, the US dollar was being sold for $128.81, which is down 3 cents from yesterday. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.14. The pound sterling goes for $165.11, while the euro costs $147.25. Gas prices are to fall for a 4th straight week. For how much they will decline, we go to Dashan Hendricks, who's standing by at the Smartboard. Dashan?
Well, petrol prices are falling again this week, but gasoline prices are falling by small margins. Both E10 87 and E10 90 gasoline going down this week by only 27 cents. But the price of regular and low sulfur diesel both decline by bigger margins. Regular diesel going down this week by $1.39, while the low sulfur variety declines by $1.35. Kerosene is going down as well this week. It declines by only $1.75, while propane cooking gas declines by 80 cents. And the butane variety goes down by 84 cents. It's now back to you.
Thanks very much, Dashan. And finally, this evening, stocks ended mostly higher today, but a decline chiefly in the price of Scotia Group and NCB shares led the main JSE market index down more than 952 points, while the junior market index that settled 10 points lower. The winners of the day included 1834 Investments, Carb Cement, Honeybun, Lasco Distributors, Radio Jamaica, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were Access Financial, Derrimon Trading, Jetcon, Lasco Manufacturing, NCB, and the Scotia Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.